Hi, welcome back to my bathroom. You guys loved so much of that last time when I did, so I thought I would recreate it again. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Elle. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been around for a while, it's good to see each and every one of you. Today we're gonna do one of my all-time favorite videos, or one of my favorite videos, which is called QVC Made Me Buy It. If y'all don't know, I have an obsession with QVC. It's a little compulsory shopping sometimes, but really honestly, it's a place for me that I can check out and that I don't have to worry about really anything. And everybody's so darn happy on that show, and they just loving life, and I know that's their job, but I appreciate them for making it look so awesome. So I thought what I would do is I would share with you some amazing things I have just bought from QVC. Are you ready? Okay, cool. Let me show you. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? And share this video. All right. So I'm gonna first take you into my bathroom. Into my shower. Okay, I had to do it again. So this is, I've been without this for a while. I've been trying some different things. I haven't loved it as much as I love this one. So this is the Josie Maran Argan Sugar Balm Body Scrub. This is the Mac Daddy, the big size. And I love it. And I'm obsessed, and I want to use it forever. It makes your skin feel like it's butter, and that feeling lasts for about 2 days. It's awesome. All right, and I usually use it with her Skin Dope. This is a brand new one I just bought. Skin Dope Ultra Nourishing Body Wash. Love this. Okay, now I have been on a hunt for some new shampoo. I do love some Kristen S. I love all of her products, but I was feeling like I needed something that was different, that was more targeted. My hair was starting to get real dry. My scalp was having issues, and I wanted something that was just different. Now, I know a lot of people swear by Way, but I didn't want, is that what it's called? Way or when? But I didn't want to get that. So have you guys ever heard of this brand? I hadn't heard of it. It's called Tweaked by Nature. The story that this guy said, he's so awesome. He had his son on there, and he's a hairstylist. He made all of his products for his mother that was going through chemo. He wasn't even going to start a hair care line, but it just kind of ended up that way. So what this is, I got a bundle of a bunch of stuff. Of course, I'll link everything in the description box so you guys can go find it, okay? If it's still there, I'm sure it is. But this is basically, what does he call this? It's called a cleansing hair treatment. So this is supposed to help your hair grow longer, thicker, healthier. It's supposed to take brassiness out of all hair tones. So it kind of warms up the hair. It gives a more natural finish to the hair, kind of glossier finish, a lot healthier scalp, all sorts of amazing things. So I've been using this now for a couple of weeks, and so I can give you a first kind of impression take on it. So what you do is you take this guy, every 2 times you wash, you use this. So you put this on the mid shaft all the way down to the ends, and it's like a leave-in conditioner. You put that there, you leave it on for 1 to 5 minutes. I usually leave it on for about 5 minutes. Then you get in the shower, you wet your whole hair, put more of that on from now scalp to root, and you massage the hair for about 1 minute or 2, and you just really get it in there, get the scalp nice and clean, and just get this kind of cleansing, whatever, treatment throughout the hair. Then you rinse your hair really, really well. I use the one for volume because my hair is just kind of flat. So anyway, yeah, so then that's what I do. Every 2 shampoos, that's what I do. And then I bought their shampoo and conditioner. I've only used this twice. I love it. It all smells really good. There are no sulfates in here, nothing that's going to strip the hair. And then he says you're going to use this once a week, or once, say you wash your hair 3 times a week. 2 of those times is the cleansing, whatever, the other thing. What is this called? This is called the cleansing hair treatment. And then the 3rd time you wash your hair, you're gonna do a shampoo and conditioner. Of course, you don't have to use their shampoo and conditioner, but I just wanted to stay with it and see what I thought. I've been using this with my daughter. It works really, really well. I have a lot of problems with tangling. I have not had any of that. I will say, the one thing that I really notice is that my hair stays curled for a lot longer. My hair's not really oily, but man, it's just like, It feels like I just did my hair, and this is 1 day old hair, and it's not greasy, it's not oily. It literally is holding a curl like a champ. It feels healthy, it feels stronger, and I just got my hair done too. So usually my hair is quite dry and my scalp has a little bit of issues after I get my hair done. I haven't had any of that. So right now I am currently obsessed. I feel like my hair is just feeling a lot thicker and a lot healthier. So yeah, I'm thoroughly obsessed with that one. So check that out. Okay, we're back inside my closet. Okay, as you know, if you guys have seen my recent Foundation Friday, you know that I bought the Bare Minerals Original Foundation, and I bought the concealer and the brushes. They came in a kit. I'm wearing it right now. I've been wearing it pretty much nonstop. If you guys haven't seen that Foundation Friday, it just was last week, so go take a look at it. But I'm thoroughly obsessed, and I think it looks really gorgeous, and I'm happy to be introduced. I know I'm late to the train. It seems like everybody's been wearing this for 20 years except for me. Well, at least I'm here now. Okay, so this is also what they made me buy, and I was stoked to get it, so. Does anybody use the word stoked anymore? Did I just age myself? Okay, let me show you the last thing. Okay, are you ready for this? Look at this cozy goodness. Okay, so this is extremely warm. It has this epic hood. Look at this hood. I feel like Little Red Riding Hood. I love that it has these hands, so everything kind of stays down, especially when it's cold and snowing. It is, like I said, super warm, but I thought it was just so fun. And with leggings and like boots, hot. Super hot, has pockets. Comes in another color. Are you ready? Okay. So here this one is. This is in navy blue. And again, I'll link everything below. This looks hot with jeans. I'm wearing it with jeans and like obviously boots for snow or colder weather, or my workout pants for sure. And I just think it's super cute and cozy. And again, if I can't find it on QVC, I'll find it on the actual website and I'll link it below. But you guys, don't I kind of look like Cruella de Vil? Oh, let me show you a couple more. Okay, welcome to my kitchen. It is a little dark in here. Sorry, it's like the sun goes down so early these days, doesn't it? I will show you the last purchase that I've been making over the past several months is this guy. Look at her, there she is. That's a Vitamix. Okay, now I have been wanting a Vitamix for probably close to 5 years, and they were having such a good deal on it, and I am obsessed with it. Now I make, oh no, I don't make oatmeal. I make almond milk in it. But I thought to myself, oh, I'm gonna use this for everything. I'm gonna use it for shredding cheese. I'm gonna use it for making soups, which I did, and it didn't turn out amazing, so I need practice. But I don't use it as much as I want to. So help me. If you guys have recipes or things that I can use it for and justify the cost that I spent on it, please, I am open to all Vitamix, quick recipes, things that you use it for every day to really get the use out of it. Yes? Yes. Okay. So anyway, let's go over by my tree. It's like a little vlog style, isn't it? All right. So look at my tree this year. Oh, so pretty, right? All right, so that is the end of this super fun video. I absolutely love showing you guys my obsession with QVC. I would love to know what you got recently that you absolutely love. Where do I need it? I probably need it in my life. I probably do, right? Yeah. All right, so share that with me. I know you guys usually love these videos, so let me know which one was your favorite out of all the products. Have you tried any of them? Did you get any of them? And yeah, so I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.